1/4 tablespoon vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons almond flour, 15 grams. Now we'll put 1 beaten egg and 7 grams of sugar-free chocolate. Now all the ingredients will mix properly. I will grease these cups and fill it about 1/3 to half because it will rise, and then I will bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, 275 Fahrenheit. Hopefully the keto cup muffins would come out fine. So each cup would have about 3 grams net carb. This is how it looks when you mix it. It should come into a smooth consistent paste and the erythritol crystals should be dissolved. You can also microwave it at 700 watt settings for about 2 minutes, or you can bake it for about 20 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. I am going to bake it